somewhere and you are not able to fix it. So there are so many community where you can paste your project and from that you will get the answer. Okay, so because of that, community support you will not stuck somewhere. Okay, after that, extensible third party API support. So already you had discussed it here. Perfect, guys. Okay, let me open the Microsoft Word here. Guys, be careful here. Uh, what is that? Bhavish is saying something. He's kicking out from meeting automatically. Sure. What is doing this man? Just a minute. Seeing number of times. Okay. Great. Now we are going to start learning Python. Okay, guys. So now I'm writing here English. Now I want to learn English. Okay. What we have followed the steps. Okay. To learn English, we have to recap it here, guys. Okay. After that, we'll jump on a Python. Okay. So not anyone can say that before learning of English, what we have studied there. Anyone can recap. So we have studied alphabets, right? We have studied alphabets, right? Okay. After that, we have studied, right? What we have studied part of speech, right? Pause. After that, we studied verbs, right? Then we were learn about the tenses, right? Then we are creating the sentences. Okay, like that we have studied the English, right? After, after completing all these steps, we are giving one word here, right? We are using all these words for a communication purpose, right? We are using all these steps. We are using it for a communication purpose, right? Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now I'll write down the Python here. Okay. So now, guys, I have a very simple question here, guys. Okay. Okay. So, guys, in alphabets, okay, there are how many alphabets are present in a English, guys? Anyone can say? Yes, come
26.
on. 26. Okay. Good. 26 alphabets. Very simple question is. Now I have another question is here. Okay. I have another question is here. Why 26 are there? Why not 27 or 30 or 28? Why 26 only? Very simple question. Can anyone say, guys, what is the reason? Why 26 only? Anyone? Come on, guys. किसी को पता है? Anyone has a, know the reason? Why 26 only? Why not 21? Why not 28 or 30? No? Okay. I have another question, guys. What is this apple? Apple. Why this is apple? Very common question. Why this is apple? Anyone? किसी के पास आंसर है इसका? Why it is apple? Or why 26 alphabets is there? Now, why not 27 or 28 or 24? Why 26 only? Or why it is Apple? Rules. Yeah, perfect. It's a rule because we named it. And no, I have not implemented it. Ajay, you have implemented it. Yeah, it's a rules. Yeah, that's one good. Okay, it's a very simple reason, guys. Okay, I'll tell you guys. Because we have not implemented it, guys. Someone has implemented because of they knows only 26 liter. They have implemented only 26 liter, right? Right. And they have pronounced apple. We not pronounced apple. They have pronounced the apple, right? So because that we are following their rules, right? Rules. This is the rules, right? I hope you got the point here. Why not 26? Because we have not implemented. May chance if you implemented another language, we'll develop the 28 alphabets, 30 alphabets. Okay. But we did not implemented this English language because some British has been developed and they have developed only 26 alphabets and we are following the same rules. Okay. Now in Python, guys. Okay. Now in Python, guys, we have some alphabets is there. We have some alphabets is there in also Python. But we are not calling it alphabets. We are calling it a keywords here. Okay. After that, we'll require some control flow. Just a minute. Control flow. Okay, is there. Then operators, which is required to handle the operations. Then functions. So these things are really required to learn a Python. These things are really required to Python. So here entire things we called a communication. So here entire things we called project. Okay, that is the difference between any language and Python. Okay. So I hope guys you got the point why I have written here English, why I did the comparison in between English and Python. Okay. Yeah. Guys, so we have to see now about the keywords here. We have to check what are the alphabets of a Python. Okay. Perfect. Bhavish is automatic exit 3 times. Uh, we'll check is there any setting. Okay. Yeah, yeah, people are facing some problems. We'll check definitely. Yeah, Bhavish, I saw your message earlier. Yeah, we'll check the setting. Okay, now you don't have any problem, right, Bhavish? Yeah, Bhavish, still you are facing same problem? Yeah, I saw. Yeah, you'll see. Okay, fine, guys. We discussed about comparison between English and Python. Okay, now we have to see in the keywords. Okay, keywords of Python. So I'm writing one more topic here, guys. Identifier. Okay, identifier. Okay, which is very important, guys. Without this topic we cannot write anything in our Python program. So this is a very important topic. Okay, so be careful, guys. Anyone has any doubt, you can ask me. You can unmute yourself and you can ask me the doubt here. Okay, so identifier. Sir, I have the question here. This what is the meaning of identifier? Okay, what is the identifier? We have to see here. Okay, so identifier is nothing but a Identifier is nothing but any name. Okay, identifier is nothing but any name in Python program. This is simple definition of a identifier. Okay, in Python program. anything, okay, any name, whatever you seen in Python program, which is nothing but a identifier. This is a simple definition of identifier. Okay. I hope you got the definition idea. Okay. So there is some rules, guys. There is some rules to define identifiers. Rules to define identifier. Okay. What are those rules? These rules are very, very important. Without that, we cannot write any Python program. Okay. So we have to be aware with these all rules of a identifier. Okay. So these rules are very, very important. Okay. So what is the first rule is there? Okay. We cannot write digits at starting. I'll tell you the meaning exactly. We cannot write digits at starting. So what are the digits? 0 to 9. Digits that are nothing but a 0 to 9. Okay. So we cannot write the digits at a starting. Okay. So we have to see the practical implementation of this sentence. Okay. So let me open a pie chart here and we'll see the practical implementation of this line. Yeah. There are 35 keywords, 36, 35 to 36 keywords. We'll see each and every keywords we'll see. Check. Okay. Fine. Now, what I said in first rule, okay, you can check here. We've seen that we cannot write digits at starting. Why I have written here? Okay. Let's suppose I'll declare 9 at the rate something I'm taking the name here or any variable name I'm taking where I'm taking it equal to 10. Like that, I have declared the variable name. Okay. So let's suppose it is a valid or not. Okay. Okay. I'll run it and we'll check it is a valid or not. So you can see immediately I'm getting the error. Syntax error, I'm getting it here. Why? Because it is not in the rule. Okay. We cannot write digits starting, right? So that this rule is saying that we cannot write the digits at a starting while declaring the variables. Okay. Perfectly. I hope you got the meaning of this rule. Okay. What is the next rule, guys? Okay. We can use the, where I'll take the another rule. We cannot, we cannot use the spatial symbols. Okay. This is another rule. We cannot use the spatial symbols. So I'll take one more here. Okay. So I am creating cash equal to 10. Okay. And I'm taking another something. I have taken it here. Okay. So we have to check. Okay. We'll take the first one and we'll check we are getting error or not. Yeah, it is completely fine. We are not getting any error. Let me check for second one. Okay. Let me check for second one and we'll check we are getting error or not. Yeah, immediately it is throwing error, right? Syntax error. So what it means that guys, we are we cannot use the spatial symbols, right? Like star, right? And other symbols we can. The spatial symbols it is completely not allowed. Okay. Now, second example. Third rule, sorry. We can use, we can use underscore. We can use underscore. Okay. We can use underscore, but special symbols you cannot use. Let me see the example here. Okay. Let's suppose hmm, Python something I'm taking it here and I'm assigning the 10 value. Let's there is double underscore I'm taking it and something digit name I'm taking it here and assigning the 10 value inside that. Okay, we'll check it is allowed or not, or I'm saying the completely false here. Okay. Yeah. Because I am getting any error here? No. Completely fine. I have used double underscore, right? You see this one also. We are getting error? No. It is a completely valid. Okay. So this is the third rule, guys. We have to keep in mind that we can use the multiple underscore. There is no any problem. But you cannot use the special symbols as well. You cannot use the digits. Starting digits are not allowed. Okay. Perfectly. Now I'll write down another rule here, guys. We cannot use reserved keywords. Okay, this is something special name here. Reserved keywords. Okay, we cannot use. Okay, as a identifier. Okay, what is the meaning of reserved keys? Yeah, we'll see what are the reserved keywords are available. Okay, I'll copy all reserved keywords, or you can see here also. No problem. So these are the all reserved keywords. Okay. So all these are nothing but alphabets of a Python, guys. All are nothing but alphabets of Python. So in Python, we are not calling alphabets, we are calling it a keywords, right? So these are the keywords. Okay. So we cannot use these keywords as an identifier. This is the rule, guys. Okay. So let's suppose I'll take await. Okay. Await. I'll take it. Okay. Await equal to 10. I'll assign. Another, I'll take the name here. Pass. I'll take it here. Pass equal to 10. Let's check, guys. Let's check. Does this rule is related to you or not? Let me run it and we'll see. Yeah, immediately it's throwing error that syntax error. Okay, it means that we cannot use the reserved keywords as an identifier. Okay, so these are the main four rules. Okay, we have to keep in mind while creating any variables or while developing any projects, we have to keep in mind these four rules. Without that, we cannot able to write a single program, guys. Okay, so these four rules are very, very important. You have to keep in mind. Okay, so now, guys, in most of the MCQ exams, okay, or in interview question papers, so these questions are oftenly you can see that. Okay, so which is the valid identifier? Okay, these kind of questions you can oftenly see that which is the valid identifier. Okay. I'll write down some examples here and you have to say, guys, which is a valid or which is a invalid. Okay. I'll write down some examples here. I'm taking some examples here, guys, and you have to find out it. Okay. Which is valid or which is invalid. Okay. I'll write down another example here. So I have written down some examples here, guys, and you have to find out it. Okay. So yeah, already guys are seeing the all answers. So please try to give the answer one by one, guys. So that will be very positive thing will happen here. Okay. So yeah, come on, guys. First one, it is valid or invalid. Anyone can say. Yeah, come on, guys. It is valid or invalid. It is a valid identifier or not. Come on. Yeah, Swati has been already said all answers, and there is no guarantee which one is correct or not. You have to say, guys. Come on. All answers I need. Bhavish are saying valid. Other guys, come on. Come on, give the response. Yes, come on, guys. Yeah, valid. Bhavish. Jay, Kiran, Manisha, Mayur, Alex, Piyush, Pramod, Ryan, Renuka, Rohan, Satish, Steak, Sumit, Swati, Amoeba. Yeah, come on, guys. Come on. Respond it, guys. Come on. Yeah, we'll see one by one. Check. We'll see one by one. Yeah. I'm asking for the first one only. It is valid or invalid? What do you think? Come on. Yeah, guys, please contribute. It is a valid identifier or not? Valid. Piyush. Yeah, other guys, please contribute. Come on, guys. Comment करो जल्दी जल्दी in chat. Go on, come on. Valid. Maybe the first. Yeah, you have to be very confident, guys. Okay. Already we've seen the rules, right? Yeah, just saying. Bhagwan Singh already. Yeah, perfect, guys. It is a valid, completely valid. There is no any reason, guys, because we didn't use any special symbol here or digits, right? Or result keywords, right? So it is perfectly valid. What about second one, guys? Yes, come on. Yeah, come on, guys. Yes, contributed. What about second one? Yeah, Piyush saying, Manisha saying valid. Yes, come on, guys. Yeah, Alex saying valid, Datta saying valid, Ravan saying valid, Ravish
Valid.
saying valid. Yeah, valid. Yeah, good one. Yes, yeah, nice, nice, guys, nice. Yeah, it's a complete valid. But I used the underscore here, guys, and already we've seen in our rules that we can use the underscore. There is no any problem at all, right? Okay. Now, what about third one, guys? Okay, what about third one? What about third one? Yes, come on, guys. Yeah, yeah, good answer. Yeah, just yeah, invalid. Oh, Jabardast. If you saying invalid, invalid, invalid. Mm-hmm. You say thing invalid. Mm-hmm. One thing invalid. Yeah, good, good, guys. Yeah, getting good response. Feeling happy. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, good, good, guys. Okay, next one, guys. Next one. What about fourth one? What about fourth one? Yeah, Manish is saying valid. Other guys, yeah, Piyush saying valid. Valid. Bhavesh saying, Renuka saying valid. Mayur saying valid. Yeah, the saying Vaibhav valid. Other guys, come on. Yeah, Alex saying also valid. Mm-hmm. Ravan. Anyone feeling that it is invalid because we have used digits here? Anyone is feeling like that it is invalid?
Sir, we have
It
not
is
used
valid,
in
but
starting.
yeah, correct.
That's why it is valid.
Good. Good on. A good capture. Completely. Now, what about this one, guys? Already we have taken this example. What about this?
Invalid
It's a
because
completely
of
invalid.
special
Why?
character.
Yeah, because of this special character. Perfect. Okay, what about this one, guys? We have taken a very huge variable name here. What about this one? Yeah, come on, guys. Yeah, no. Yeah, Manisha, valid, valid. Come on. Only three few people are responding. Come on. Mm-hmm.
Valid maybe.
Valid, valid, valid. Yes. Yes. Good, guys. Getting good response, feeling happy. Yeah, it is a completely valid. There is no any invalid identifier. Okay, perfect. Now, guys, what about this one? Anyone can say it is a valid or invalid? Yeah, good one. Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Yeah. Why it is invalid? Anyone can say why it is
Sir,
invalid?
because if is predefined in Python.
Right. Right. It is a reserved by keywords, right? Perfect. What about this one, guys? What about this one? 8 and 9. What about 8 and 9? Yes. All are reserved keys. Because of that, it will not allowed as an identifier. So it is a invalid identifier, right, guys? So I hope, guys, you can tackle these questions, right? If you see these kind of questions, which is a valid identifier, so easily you can tackle it, right? Hardest of hardest, right? Any kind of things you can tackle it, right? But now I'll jump into the another thing here, guys. Okay. Yeah, we'll explain it in detail. Okay. Good questions. We have to see more on reserved keywords. Okay. We've seen how many reserved keywords are there. Okay. So it's a 35. Okay. How many reserved keywords are there? 35. Okay. 35 here. I hope, or 36 something is there. 8 and 9, sir. Bhavesh, 8 and 9 are invalid because all are reserved keywords here. Try and trace, you can see here. I have taken it from reserved. We try it here, and raise is also there. Okay. So because of this, 8 and 9 are invalid. Okay. So how many reserved keywords, how many alphabets are in Python? So total 35 alphabets are in our Python. Okay. What are those? We have to see. Okay. Okay. So you have to keep in mind, okay, while studying about the keywords, you have to keep in mind that only three keywords, okay? True, false, and null, okay? And null. Their first letter is capital, okay? Only these three keywords, these three keywords. Apart from that, each keywords are in smaller case, okay? Apart from this, only three keywords, okay? What are these three keywords? True,
Kasi mobile पाहू वाचन
false.
दोन्ही दिसत. असं मी
Please
वाटतं. हे आता
go
कोण
on
बोलणार?
mute, guys.
तिकडे गिरी म्हणून त्याच्यासोबतच.
Okay. So apart from these three keywords, all are in smaller case, guys. We have to see. Okay. After that. So you have to keep in mind that for these Boolean two keywords, true and false, and for null, their first letter is a capital. Okay. Okay. Apart from this, all are in smaller case. You can see here. False, first letter capital. After that, true, first letter is capital, none is capital. So apart from everyone, you can see that is in a smaller case, right? Import, else, except, finally, for, from, Google, if, there. Okay, guys, clear? Okay, only three keywords you have to keep in mind that their first letter is a capital only. Apart from this, everyone is in a smaller case. Okay, fine. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Okay. When you do not worry about all these keywords, guys. Okay. Why? Because we'll cover each and every keyword. Okay, while you are implementing the program, we will cover each and every keywords. Okay, you do not require to worry about it. Okay, gradually. Okay, slowly, we will take the few keywords. After that, we'll take few keywords and we'll cover entire all keywords. Okay, guys. At the end of the Python, we will be familiar with each and every keywords, guys. So you do not require to worry about each and every keywords. For now, you can keep in mind that for these three, only for these three letters, okay, for these three keywords, their first letter is a capital. Okay, fine. Clear, guys. Up to this one, anyone has any doubt? Please confirm. Clear, clear for all. Yes, come on, guys. Clear. Yeah, Bhavesh. Any doubt, Bhavesh? Clear, clear to all, guys. ओके ये तीनों ही नाम आपको याद रखना है जस्ट ओके ट्रू फॉल्स एंड नॉट बिकॉज उसका ही फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल है ओके फाइन ओके guys and now we'll do the one more time recap and we'll conclude the session and tomorrow we'll start the operators after that we'll start the data types okay okay so today we discussed about the identifier okay and we discussed some rules of the identifier and reserved keywords. Okay. Now I'll do the something here, guys, that which Python we have to download. So I'll give the link here that we can do tomorrow. And we is with the help of me. You can take the support me to install the complete Python setup. Let me go to any browser. So you have to go on a Google, okay, and you have to search for a Python Anaconda, okay, Python Anaconda, okay, and you have to go here. It is completely open source. Okay, it is asking for email ID. Okay, so you have to provide your email ID, and after providing email ID, you will get the link, download link on your mail ID, guys. Okay, so if I provide my email ID here, I'll get the link of the download link of Anaconda. After that, you have to do installation, or else you can keep that download copy. Tomorrow we will discuss how to install on your machine. Okay, guys, fine. This is your task. This is your today's task, guys. You have to just download the Anaconda Python Anaconda, guys. Okay, this is your task. Just you have to give your email ID here, and the link will receive on your mail ID. Fine, guys. Okay, from tomorrow we'll start the program. Okay, we'll try to
Yeah,
do this.
everyone have the yeah. Uh, just to announcement, like
We'll try to do to it. Try to do it from tomorrow.
yeah, just have one announcement.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So as you aware about this for this week only, we are conducting the free session. So anyone in your colleagues or friend who would like to join this free session, so you can share the link with them. So till the Friday, we keep this link open. Next of that, we will go with the enrollment. So the mandatory things here, only you who want to be joined, just make the enrollment and make the payment status pending. So that is a mandatory who want to be joined the free session. Thank you,
Yeah.
Rashid.
Thank you, Bhagwan. Yeah. Yeah. I'll do one more announcement here, guys. That whatever yesterday I means inside the roadmap of a data scientist, whatever things I mentioned there, I'll give the promise that we'll cover each and every. Okay, that is our commitment. If I missed a single word, okay, if I missed a single word from that, you can show me and you can take the your entire fee. Okay, that is our commitment. Okay, fine, guys. We'll do the recap here and we'll conclude the sessions. Okay, okay, guys. Yeah. Say that what is identifier? Come on, guys. What is identifier? Anyone can say? Yeah. So identifier is nothing but any name in a Python program, which is called the identifier. Variable. There are some rules, right? We already discussed. So what are those rules? Are you are able to hear me properly? Yeah. Please confirm. Can you hear me? Please, can you hear me? Not sure. Okay, just a minute. What is happening here? Still having some issue, guys.
It's fine.
Hello,
Yeah,
guys.
it's fine
Huh?
now.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah, we'll recap the quickly, guys. Yes. So what is identifier? Identifier is nothing but any name in a Python program, right? We already seen today. We discussed, right? What is identifier? It is any name in a Python program, which is called a identifier, right? There are some rules, okay, which are very important while declaring any variables, right? And which is also important. Without that, you cannot write any Python program, right? So what are the rules? First rules, we cannot write digits at a starting. Digits 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9 we cannot write at a starting, right? If you try to write the digits, we'll immediately will get the syntax error, right? Right? That we cannot write. After that, we seen second rule that we cannot use the special symbols, right? Special symbols are nothing but is a dollar symbol and symbols, percentage symbols. That symbols we cannot write as a in variables, right? Okay. After that, we have seen another rule that you can use a multiple underscore. There is no any restrictions for us. Okay, we can use a multiple underscores. Okay, fine. After that, there is another rule that we cannot use a reserve keywords as a identifier. Why? Because they have already we are using somewhere. Okay, so because of that we cannot use the reserved keywords. Okay, these four rules are very important. After that, we seen one more question here that which are the valid identifiers. So oftenly you can see these questions in your MCQ, right? Which are the followings are the valid identifier, invalid identifier. So you have to identify it. Okay. So now you people are in position that if you get these kind of questions, you will be tackle easily. You can tackle, right? Okay. After that, we've seen reserved keywords. So how many reserved keywords are there? 35 reserved keywords are there. And inside that, only three keywords are there. Their first letters are small. Sorry, capital. True, false, and none. And apart from this, other all are in small case. Okay. Okay. Up to this one, guys. Anyone has any doubt? Come on. किसी को कुछ doubt है up to this one? यहाँ तक किसी को doubt है, guys? Come on. Or clear? Sir. Yeah. Yeah. Because we are taking very, very slowly because I want to give a complete content, guys. Once you people are in more comfortable position, then you can write a easily program. So because that I'm taking very, very slowly. Okay, each sentence I am taking repeatedly. Okay, so because of that, the reason is completely simple. I have to delete the all content about the Python. No sir. Yeah, Bhavesh saying no sir, clear. Check sir. Yeah, other guys, किसी को कुछ doubt है guys? Pritesh, nice. Rohan, Pramod, Piyush, Manisha, MG, Kiran, Jay Datta. Clear? Okay, perfect, guys. Tomorrow I'll repeat the same questions, guys. Tomorrow I'll ask you the same question. You have to be very prepared. Okay? Even from our history, from definition of Python, you have to be in mind. Okay? Who don't? I don't want to forget our previous session. Okay, guys. So you have to keep ready. Whatever question I'll ask you. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Okay. Be join on time tomorrow. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you.